A short review about Merrill Edge. This is a type of a bank here, an American bank that you can simply open an account on start creating your account and transaction. At first, I'm going to show you the website here. There is a login option. There is an option to open your account if you're new to it. Your money, your goals, your way. You can manage your financial condition here, make smart financial decision with cutting the edge tools given by this application or website platform. Organize your finances with connected online banking with Bank of America and invest with Merrill. So this is basically a type of investment banking organization that will provide you in tie with Bank of America, and then you can start investing any amount you want in X stock, you want in crypto, you want in any other ETF. So you can simply start exploring this application right from here. So as per my suggestion, there it is linked with the Bank of America. So this is one of the genuine website, one of the genuine platform you can use to simply use to invest your money that you have hard earned money on this application. A smarter way to invest in your future, you can simply calculate your age, your annual income, and click on get started to get started with the investment. If you're in early age of your career, if you're in peak of your earning years, if you're near retirement, and if you are on the retirement, you can start it anywhere from anywhere. Thank you so much for watching this video.